Zaku and Char's Zaku are the main characters. Doki Doki Adventure Island. Sticker remover. Oh, it might survive. IPA. 150 degrees. Dry but still sticky. Sticker remover. IPA. Glad it survived. When I was a kid, no matter what, the main character looked like a Zaku to me. I thought I was piloting a Zaku. That alone made it fun. Even say GUH's Space Harrier had dome, and that made me happy. That was the right answer in the show Y era. Opening it up. This one too. Both have exactly the same board.
Mercury.
This yellow wing is really bad. And the back too. Let's clean the backside. Please get clean. Looks a bit better overall. This side's plating is worn at the bottom. This one is really dirty. Isopropyl alcohol. Contact restorer helps remove dirt. Also protects plating with lubrication. Nylon buff. Removed only dirt while keeping the plating. This one was inserted and removed a lot. Gold plating is peeling. You can see the nickel plating. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
This trace is fine. This side has several spots peeled off. Let's coat it. Tears of Generation Z. Ultraviolet light, please harden.
Patch coach.
Time for magic solution, rust prevention and lubrication. 1985. Slows down yellowing and aging. Delivering it to the future.
Perfect body.